Hello, my name is Christanna. Today we'll be briefly discussing behavior intervention plans. Why are BIPs important? BIPs are important because they give everyone a clear plan to follow instead of just reacting to behaviors as they happen. They help create the opportunity for meaningful behavior changes by providing interventions that are tailored to the individual's needs. BIPs focus on why the behavior is happening, so instead of using a one size fits all approach, interventions are based on what works best for that individual. They also focus on teaching replacement behaviors, which helps the individual learn more appropriate ways to communicate or get their individual needs met. Overall, this helps create more meaningful and long term behavior change rather than just trying to stop the behavior. Who benefits from BIPs and why? The biggest person who benefits from a BIP is the client. This is because the client is the one learning skills that can improve their quality of life. The BIP is directly impacting them, while everyone else is there to support them through the process or help implement it. Families, teachers, RBTs, or even BCBAs and other caregivers all play a role in supporting the client and implementing the BIP. They also benefit from the BIP because it teaches everyone how to better support the client and respond consistently. When everyone is using the same strategies, it helps lead to better progress and fewer mixed messages or signals for the client. Every component of a behavior intervention plan is important because they all work together. However, if I had to choose one that I think is the most critical, I would say the operational definition of the target behavior is quite important. Before we can analyze a behavior, we first need to clearly define exactly what the behavior looks like. Having a clear and objective definition helps make sure everyone is observing and measuring the same behavior, according to Cooper et al. I think that really sets the foundation for the rest of the bit. The operational definition should also include examples of what is and what is not considered the target behavior. Having that clear definition helps everyone know exactly what they're looking for, collect accurate data, and stay consistent when implementing the intervention. If the behavior isn't clearly defined from the beginning, it can make the rest of the BIP less effective because everyone may have a different understanding of what the target behavior actually is or what it looks like. That not only affects the data collection, but it also makes it harder to carry out the rest of the BIP and even the rest of the intervention services since everything starts with accurately identifying what the target behavior is.